guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have another trunk club. So this month, I can't remember what I asked for. I think it was just like, you know, easy breezy summer clothes or something. I don't think I like anything in this box. I don't know what was up with the stylist. I have been struggling a lot with my boxes. I think just because my style versus current trends don't quite align. Plus I feel like they're just sending me stuff that is, I don't know, not what I want, not what I ask for. Okay, so let's start with the shorts and tops that they sent. Okay, so we have this pair of shorts, which I like the color, the olive green, and it has an elastic waistband. It has this like boxer short peephole thing going on. It's a faux hole. There's no actual hole there, but I don't know, I just thought that was a little funny. They do have pockets though. I don't know, these are the kind of thing that I just don't think I would ever wear. Like, they're not super flattering and, you know, they're linen, they're lightweight. So I guess they're kind of comfortable, but I don't know, just not, I can't see myself ever wearing them. This pair of jean shorts, which just don't fit very well. Like, I just don't think that these look good on me. They fit really like big and weird in all the wrong places. And they have really long pockets that kind of stick out the bottom just a smidge, I think, after these fray a little bit more. I've never fit into boyfriend jeans ever, which is funny because I used to only ever wear men's jeans, but for whatever reason, boyfriend jeans fit me terribly. Like, they're just, I just don't like them at all. So these ones, I feel like I almost like, and I'm a little bit on the fence about these because I generally speaking hate high-waisted stuff, but the waist on these is actually really roomy and spacious, so they're not uncomfortable. They're not like squeezing me because I don't have a super defined waist. And so a lot of times high-waisted things have like a tiny waist and then a big butt, and I'm more brick shaped. So these ones don't have a tiny waist, which means that they fit me better. And I like the cut on the legs, and they have, you know, the kind of folded up hem. So I don't know. I suppose I could probably fit these into my wardrobe. You know, I don't know that the high-waisted thing, I always feel like it makes me look like I have more of a belly, but I don't know. So I'll think about these. Let me know what you guys think. How did they look on me? Did they make me look like I had more of a belly? Should I just ditch these? So, all right. So those are the shorts. Now let's go over the tops. And I paired these together sort of, but I realized that pairing them, like, none of them went together. So there's this top. There are things that I like about it. First of all, it has built-in cups, like padded cups, so you don't have to wear a bra with it, which is nice because it has these spaghetti straps. But the pattern on this looks straight out of the early 90s, maybe even late 80s, and I'm not digging that style right now. Okay, this top, another Peplum top, and I do like Peplums, but I don't know, I just didn't feel like it looked that good on me. Like, you know, it's one of those things that maybe if I paired it with the right bottoms, it would be cuter. I might try to play around with this one a little bit more. I don't know, but I wasn't like, oh my gosh, I love this, it fits so great. This one, I actually liked the sleeve cut on this. Honestly, I will never wear it because of the high neckline, and it was just kind of tight in my armpits. Like, if it had, I don't know, something going on the front, like a logo, or not even a logo, I don't know, a band, who knows? Anyway, it's just one of those things that, like, I felt like was cute and I liked it. I know that I personally will just, I'll put it in my closet and never reach for it, you know what I mean? This one I did actually think was really cute. The material on this is a little bit thicker than I was expecting, and it's stretchy, and even the straps are stretchy, and I love that about it because it makes it so comfortable. This, I feel like I might actually wear this. Yeah, I could wear this. Okay, now on to the dresses. This looks like a freaking nightgown. This is the most shapeless, unflattering, not cute thing. The ruffle on the, like, what? Why would you wear this? The funny thing is, I've seen other people wear stuff like this and I'm like, oh, you look so comfortable and cute. I put it on and I'm like, ugh, you look awful. I don't have the mindset for it, let alone the body type, because like I'm broad-shouldered. And so I feel like really shapeless things like that just make me look a lot bigger than I actually am. Okay, this I feel like was actually too big for me. And I can't decide if I like it enough to even try a smaller size because this is in a medium. And it's linen, it's lightweight. I like the beigey stripes. I think this could be cute. The weird muscle, like, you know, raw hem sleeves that come out to here, again with the broad shoulder thing, so it makes me look really wide. Like if it were cut in just a little bit more, I think it would be more flattering. And again, I just feel like it's too big. Like I look like I'm wearing a painter coverall, not a cute summer outfit. The final item is this dress. Like this is a 14-year-old's dress. I can't get away with this. I look stupid in this. And I don't like the cut here. I think it's not flattering on me. This to me, I read it was just like, no, I'm not doing that. That's awful. So not my best box, honestly. And again, I don't know if that's my fault, their fault, everybody's fault, but for whatever, oh, come on, focus on me, focus. I would love to hear your feedback. What do you think of this stuff? You know, I love Trunk Club. I love being able to try stuff on and then just send it back if I don't like it. Or, you know, occasionally I find stuff that I absolutely love. So we'll see. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think though. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!